How to verify your age in Roblox. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can verify your age in Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Well, if you want to verify your age in Roblox, it's actually quite very simple. Go to roblox.com and log into your account, and you will see this type of interface where you have to tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then there you'll find the option called settings, so simply go to the settings option there. Then once you go to settings, over here you will set this. Now if you have your date of birth here, you'll find the option to verify your age. Now this is only done for legal purposes, and to verify you need to have some kind of document or identity verification where your date of birth is clearly mentioned. So if it is a valid ID or a smartphone or whatever else it is, then you can do that, and then just go ahead and then use the camera app, scan this QR code, and then your verification will start to begin. This way you can verify your age in Roblox. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.